another day, another dollar. Today is Tuesday, June 30th. Not only is it the last day of the month, but it's also the last day of the second quarter and the last day of what has been an eventful first half of the year. Looks like we're in for another exciting session ahead today, so let's jump right into it. These are the top 5 things to know today on Wall Street. Kicking it off with number 1, stocks look set to open lower one day after the market scored its biggest one-day gain in almost a month. Dow Jones Industrial Average Futures, as of last check, were pointing to an opening loss of about 50 points. S&P and NASDAQ futures also indicated small declines at the open. On to number 2, the main event for markets today. Investors will focus on comments from Federal Reserve Chair Jay Powell, who will appear before the House Financial Services Committee, along with Treasury Secretary Steve Mnuchin at 12:30 p.m. Eastern Time today. The two are expected to provide further updates on the effectiveness of the government's $3 trillion stimulus plan to stem the economic fallout from the coronavirus pandemic. In prepared testimony released late on Monday, Powell noted that the U.S. economic outlook remains extraordinarily uncertain and signaled that more stimulus may be needed in the months ahead. On to number 3, we also get some key economic data this morning. The Conference Board's Consumer Confidence Index for June is expected to show a slight improvement from a month earlier. The data comes out at 10 a.m. Eastern Time. As always, don't forget to head over to Investing.com's economic calendar to track that in real time. On to number 4, investors will also turn their attention to earnings from FedEx after today's closing bell. Beyond the top and bottom line numbers, it will be interesting to see what the global shipping giant says about the ongoing damage from the coronavirus on the world economy. The stock is up about 40% from its March lows. However, it is still down more than 11% year to date. And finally, number 5, coronavirus-related developments will continue to remain in focus as investors digest more news about states pushing back reopening plans heading into the July 4 holiday weekend. Just a heads up for me, I'll highlight 3 coronavirus tech-proof stocks which need to be on your radar for my weekly post for Investing.com due on Wednesday, so be on the lookout for that. That's it for me for today. Don't forget to head over to YouTube, hit the like button and the subscribe button, and may the trading gods be with you.